Hey everyone, we're going to do a dirty pour today, 16 by 20. I already have my colors pulled. We're using black, lamp black from Creative Inspirations. Deco Art Whispering Turquoise, that's a craft paint. Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. Soho Crimson. Artist Loft Naples Yellow. Creative Inspirations Titanium White, Premier Violet, and Soho Cobalt Blue. It's quite the color combination, but I wanted to do something a little funky today, so we're going to start with that. And I'm probably going to do 4 cups because I want to make sure I have enough color placement. Whatever's left over I can pour on a tile. So I am going to mist my cups with the WD-40 just to release the paint. And this you can find in my Amazon shop. If you rub it in, you won't get any cells. I really don't care on a pour. I do on a flip and drag though. So I'm going to start with black, because I'm going to put a metallic next to the black, and that will be the Cobalt Blue Hue from Artist Loft. And I'll follow that with the Deco Art Whispering Turquoise. Then I'm going to put just a tiny bit of white for contrast. And then we'll follow that with the Soho Crimson. I'm not big on red in a painting, but we'll give it a go. We'll probably get a little pink from that. And then the Artist Loft Naples Yellow. And that will probably give us a little hint of orange as well. A little tiny bit of white. Oops. A little tiny bit of black. I'm having the oopsies today, sorry. And then we'll go with the violet. And then the cobalt blue. And then I'm going to go back with the Naples yellow. A little bit of white. The cobalt metallic blue. And I think we'll just push a little black down through. Okay. I am going to give them just a tiny little spin in the cup, just so they come out starting pretty. It's going to be gorgeous. I say that all the time, don't I? All right. Stick is pretty. And it has cells on it, too. Okay. Get you in frame here. Sorry, I'm still trying to get rid of this, whatever I got. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour. That's really cool. And we'll probably need all 4 cups from what I can see right now. So I can see I have a lot of black, but I have a lot of color as well. There's that turquoise and that. So pretty. This is kind of blah here. Let me bring this through, because we're going to move it all around anyway, so. Okay. Wow. I had to look up the monitor to see what we had going. I'm just popping some air bubbles. That'll let the cells up through. And we'll give it a little turn around here to blend the paints together. And let's pour it down on this corner here. Once you get all your paint in the middle, you can pretty much go anywhere with it. And I did like that purple corner, so I kept that. I'm not liking that at all. We may mix up a little cup and pour through there. It's hard to tell what it's going to do until you get it stretched out and torch it to see if any cells are going to come up through that. There's lots coming up through the black here. Let me wipe my hands and we'll give it a torch. Sorry. Okay. There, got it. I also got paint on my face, but that's okay. I have to turn it towards me, because I'm loving this here, and I love this here. I'm not so hip on that. So in order for me to fix that, I need to add a cup. Without black. Well, I have to put a tiny bit of black in there to blend it in. So I'm just going to do just a tiny squirt. I want the purple. I want the blue. I want the Naples yellow. I'm going to go to the cobalt and the whispering turquoise. And just a touch of the red. And I'm going to shove a little white down through. Give it just a tiny stir. I'm just toning down the red because it's not really doing anything. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of red. So let me set that for a second. And then we're going to tilt it some more. Just to stretch that out and get those cells up. I'm going to tip it back. And back again. So now I have all my paint going in one way. I don't like to hard tilt, but sometimes you have to. And I think I'm going to lose a little bit of that. But we have to sacrifice to get some balance. Just want to get that white off of there. Okay. That's a little better. What do you think? Is that better? Leave a comment if you think it's better with the second ribbon through. There's some crazy colors in here. Some great cells coming up. So I think that's all I'm going to do to that one. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Hit the bell for notifications next to the subscribe button. Shop with me on Etsy. I'm running another sale on jewelry and paintings. Pick up your supplies in my Amazon shop. Join us on Facebook. Hit up my Redbubble for merchandise. There's just so many links. And now we have our resin link. So if you're looking for art resin, check out Stone Coat Art Coat. We are doing one every week, so you'll get to see how it works. But you'll get $30 off an $80 purchase using the code CWA, all in caps. So have fun shopping, guys. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.